Tyler.
Hey, Mrs. F. I'm glad you called me. You said you had a treat for me?
I do, and I think you're going to like it.
I'm so looking forward to it.
Well, what's with the camera?
You should have known whether I brought it. I want to document everything.
Document everything? Well, why?
So all the kids and parents can know what to look forward to.
Tyler, you want to tease everybody.
Well, I wouldn't say tease. I want to give a behind-the-scenes look at what you're doing.
Well, I don't think it's really all that much.
What are you talking about? You're doing something exciting. There hasn't been this much excitement around Kids Zone since we opened the clubhouse.
Well, you know, I've heard Gordo talk about how great my muffins are, but I don't think they're that terrific.
Well, of course they are. Wait, muffins?
Yeah, I baked you some chocolate chip muffins. You know, I know Donna Reed or even Rachel Ray for that matter, and I don't really have that many secrets. They're just from a box.
Oh.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, Tyler.
But it's not that. It's just...
Well, what is it?
I thought you meant you were going to show me the clubhouse.
Show you the clubhouse? Well, no. You know that's a secret.
But when you called...
Tyler, no.
Well, I guess I have to wait till next week like everyone else.
That's exactly right. So, it's final. No. You know, they say patience is a virtue.
Well, can't I just get a little peek?
No, it's final, Tyler. And speaking of which, I need to get back to work on the clubhouse.
But, Mrs. F.
No. By the way, the muffins are in the oven. I'm keeping them warm for you, so help yourself. But be sure to save some for Kimmy and Gordo.
Okay.
Bye, Tyler.
See you next week.
Come along, meet the Muffin Man. Hurry, 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 run as fast as you can. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.